Hello, Tammy. Real quick, had a few minutes free, and I thought I would do kind of a website audit to show you the types of things that we would be changing if we were to do search engine optimization for your website and Google My Business listing. That's usually what we start with as a foundation for most of our clients, is get your website and Google My Business listing ranking better online, then you get free traffic and more people to visit your store. And then if you need a extra fast boost, because search engine optimization takes months before it really takes effect, Facebook ads and Google ads are also another great option to look into that we can discuss on our call on Friday. But first off, I just want to look at your website. The site itself looks nice. You have really nice clean images, so that is awesome. There is not very much content on the website in total. The home page, the about page, altogether, I think it's less than 1,000 words of content. So your website doesn't have enough content to really tell Google what your business is about. And so you're not indexed for a ton of keywords. That's the main problem. So you're going to want, if we do SEO on the site, we're not only going to be doing off-page SEO, we'd also want to look into adding a lot of words and actual content with specific keywords inside of the website. Usually we try to have the homepage over 1,000 words of content and then additional service pages for each specific service you do. So like you mentioned that you guys also do kitchen cabinets, but I don't see anything on the website about kitchen cabinets or what type of countertops, etc. So that's something else we might want to look into doing, is adding some service pages, adding more information about the company and who we are, and adding a lot more content with specific keywords in the homepage. Aside from that, there's some other stuff that I noticed is wrong. You guys got some schema, so that's good. But one of the issues I saw is on your Google My Business listing, when you're here and you click on the website, it opens up a not secure website. So notice this one has HTTP, not HTTPS, like this one does. So I'm not sure why you guys have the HTTP version linked and not the HTTPS version, but that's something you'd want to fix ASAP, just because having that connected instead of the normal one isn't good. This won't open up on a lot of people's cell phones, if depending on their protection that they have on their device. So that's something to fix. In addition, there's a lot of things on the GMB that you might want to optimize and change. For example, right now you guys only have one category, which is Granite supplier. So in order for Google to know who to show your listing to, they need to know as much information about your GMB and about your business as possible. And so you want to fill out this profile as much as possible by giving it tons of information. So that looks like filling in the business description, filling in all the products, all the services, and then also the main, really, really important one is getting the right business categories. So if I look at some of your competitors, we can see what categories they have. Marble supplier, granite supplier, countertop store, fireplace store, marble contractor. I think all of those, except for maybe fireplace store, I'm not sure if you guys do that one, but the other four would totally apply to your business. So you'd want to add all four of those into the GMB ASAP. That will tell Google what your business does and will help you rank for some of those other services as well. Other ranking factors for the Google My Business listing, aside from having it completely filled out, is getting lots of reviews, adding lots of photos, and doing regular updates. So you'll want to be doing things like posting on your GMB. You can, let's see if you have any posts. Oops, clicked on an ad. Doesn't look like you have any recent posts. So it's kind of like a social media where you can post updates, discounts, offers, news. There's a posting section that you can utilize. Also responding to reviews and actively soliciting reviews. It's really, really good when they post photos. So that's awesome that you guys have some people who have reviewed and left photos. That will probably help your ranking a ton. But yeah, I did check your rankings, And you're ranking really well for the keyword granite countertops, probably because it's in your name. Anytime you have the keyword that you're trying to rank for inside your name, you rank really well on Google. So that's good. You're ranking number 1 and 2 in most areas close by you for that specific keyword. I'm going to check kitchen countertops. It still has the countertops keyword, and you're still ranking pretty well. Not as well as you were for granite countertops. And then the further away we get from including countertops, like if I did kitchen cabinets, you're ranked 0 and other such keywords. But these ones are pretty good, so you have a foundation for the GMB. And the website itself, it is ranking on the first page for your business name. So that's good. There's 30 people searching every month for that specific keyword, which is okay. But we could do some more to get more brand recognition and get more people searching for your services. The real big keyword that you want to be ranking for is Granite Countertops Tampa. That one gets searched around 450 times every month, and you're currently on the second page of Google for that. You're ranked number 12. So if we're able to get on the first page of Google for this keyword, then you'll be off really well. If you're on number 1, you usually get 30% of the search volume, so that's around 150 people visiting your site every month just from ranking that one keyword. I did check who is ranking that keyword, and your competitor who ranks there is classictonegallery.com. And if you notice, a lot of these competitors that are outranking you guys, they do have a lot more content on the page. So that's something I would encourage you guys to do, or to let us do. Just, all these different pages that they have: cabinets, countertop, tile, handles, and hardware. Maybe we could do one for tile. I don't know if you guys do tile as well. Service area is good if you service multiple cities. It sounds like you guys don't, since you have a physical location. But if you did, then we could make service area pages. I don't know if you guys do bathroom remodeling in particular, any service around that. We could do a page for that. And then kitchen remodeling, of course, with the cabinets. So we'd probably want to make a cabinet page, a granite countertop page, maybe a tile page, based on what I'm seeing from the competitors. And then if you look at their sites, you notice they're getting around 330 traffic a month, around 500 traffic a month for that one, as compared to your around 44 traffic. So the more we boost the traffic, the more conversions you're going to get, the more foot traffic you're going to bring to your store. So that's one of the main strategies we're going to be focusing on. Some other ranking factors, aside from increasing the amount of content and including the specific keywords inside of the content, there's another one called backlink building. So if you look at some of their competitors, these guys have 1,200 backlinks as compared to your 25. And these ones have over 1,000 backlinks. So what we usually do when we're doing SEO is we'll go to your competitors and we'll try to copy all of their backlinks to get you to also rank with the same backlinks. What a backlink is it's your website, your URL, the link to your site, being listed on another website. So for example, if you get featured in a news article or a community page, or you are listed in Groupon, or some other website has your link either as an advertisement, as a directory, citation, news, a blog, any of those types of scenarios where they post and they talk about your website, it makes Google trust your site a lot more. It makes If people are talking about your website, Google thinks, oh, this must be a trustworthy website, and they'll rank it higher, thinking that people would want to read this more, since more people are talking about it. And so it's one of the main ranking factors of Google. So that's what our SEO package does each month. We go out and we build backlinks. We'll build some from blogs, some from press releases, some from directories, a mix of different backlinks so it looks natural to Google, but still ranks you higher over time. Hopefully all that makes sense. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm excited to talk to you on Friday. We can also, depending on your budget, we can look into doing ads as well. Google ads, Google guaranteed, Facebook ads are all great for kitchen remodeling and countertops. I haven't run any specifically for granite before, but it will be, as long as you have a good offer, then anything can work. So, yep, I'm excited. Talk to you soon.